In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can search free elements in Canva. If you're using the free version of Canva, it can be really challenging to find elements or assets like photos, videos, maybe icons that you want to use on your design, because a lot of them are premium. So when you insert the document or when you insert the asset into your document, you will see the watermark and it just doesn't look pretty. So here's how you can essentially filter the elements that you are searching to just the ones that are free to use. First, let's go to elements and then search for the element that you want to insert into your design. Now I'm going to start with, let's say, a gaming accessories, and we have plenty of options right here. I'm gonna go with the photos option, and there are some photos that I want to insert, but you can see that there is this watermark, so there's this sign that essentially this is a premium asset, and if you are a free user, it's better not to use them. So you can filter the premium and just leave in the free. Just click on this setting icon, and then on the price, enable free, and after that you can click anywhere, and you can click this again, and you will see all the photos or the elements that are free to use, and you don't have to worry about watermark, and this can be downloaded to your computer to be used or to be uploaded into social media or a website. So that's how you can search for free elements in Canva. If you found this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.